Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, we're about to prepare our special jollof spaghetti. Let's get started. Here we have our diced carrots, cabbage, and our green peas. As you can see, you can add any other veggies you feel like adding, but for what I used here is carrots, diced carrots, cabbage, green peas, and over here is our diced onions, habanero pepper, and garlic. Then we have our tomato paste, blended tomato paste. Now we have our spaghetti boiling here, as you can see, and our chicken almost ready. So I forgot to add this broccolis from the beginning. So here is our broccolis. You can add broccolis to it too. It tastes really good on it. Very, very nice on it. So I've diced it, as you can see. I've chopped them in bits. So let's get started. You pour in your groundnut oil, allow it to heat well. Thereafter, you pour in your onions and garlic. Then you stir it properly. Let the aroma come out. Stir it well for some minutes. Thereafter, you pour in your habanero pepper and stir well. After that, you pour in your grinded and boiled tomato and tatashe. You pour it in. Then you stir well. Make sure it fries very well. It's just like when you are making your jollof rice. Keep stirring till it's well dried. And the reason I'm stirring so that it will not burn. And then you add your meat stock. Here's our meat stock. You pour in your meat stock, your chicken stock. Sorry about that. Your chicken stock. Then you turn it properly, and you allow it to cook. Let it cook well. So now it has cooked to an extent. So apply our seasoning. I've added my Maggi cube. Now I'm about applying my salt. You know, I've already seasoned the chicken, and so when you are reseasoning, you try to moderate it so that it will not be too excess in it, since you already have some seasoning in the chicken. Next is my curry. I'm about to apply my curry now into it. So we put a little of the curry. Here is my Maggi powder. We have the cube, we also have the powder of it. So I like adding different flavors of seasoning. And over here is Benny. It's also a nice seasoning for stir fries or for stew, soup, or anything you're cooking that has to do with seasoning. So you stir it properly and allow to simmer well. So as you can see, I tried to lower the fire, the heat, so that it won't burn. You lower your heat so that it will cook in well and the taste will come out. So now my spaghetti that was parboiled, I placed it in a sieve initially. So now I'm pouring into the stew. So now I'll want to turn it very well. Let the stew mix with the spaghetti very well. So you turn it properly. So the next thing I did was to pour in my diced carrot, green peas, and cabbage, and the broccolis. After that, I stirred it very well, turn everything together so that I blend it. So after that, you cover your pot with a low heat and allow to cook well. So here is it. Here's our spaghetti. It's ready to be consumed. So we have a special jollof spaghetti served with chicken, and you can go with any wine, any drink of your choice.